He's so kind of pretty now. I'm liking him. It's giving me some eyes. Eyes, 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 eyes. What's up, Glam Squad? Welcome back to my channel. And if you are new, welcome. My name is Stacy, and this is the Glam Life with Stacy. Alright, so today's special video, it is brought to you by a contact lens company by the name of just4kira, and they're color contact lenses, and I'm very excited to do this video. So they sent all these and the kit to put it in. So there are 4 pairs, and I used to be a contact lens wearer, but I haven't worn them in years. So this will be my first time wearing contact lens again. And I normally, the color, I used to wear another brand, but I'm not going to mention it because this is not about them. But I used to wear it in the shade Honey, and I loved it when I did used to wear them. But today I'm going to try a bunch of different colors, and I want you guys to tell me which one you like best on me. And then also I'm going to add a coupon code so you could purchase your contact lenses, okay? Let's see here. I think I want to start with the brown colors first and then move on down to like the gray. I think I mainly have, I don't even know. We're just going to pop them in. We're just going to find a pair and pop them in because there are different types of gray, different types of brown and hazels. Let me see. Alright, so let's start with the shade Neela Brown. You can see it there. This company was really nice because they asked me if I wanted to put my prescription into the lenses, but I haven't had my yearly exam, so unfortunately these won't be corrected. So here you go. That's what it looked like. Let's see. And that's just one in there. And I'm gonna pop these in. I already washed my hands and everything. My hands are nice and clean. I didn't touch anything with my finger. Okay, so I have eye makeup on. I probably should have took that off. Let's see. Okay, here we go. I'm starting to remember how I used to put it, and I was getting ready to do like this, but it's, oh yeah, just pull the bottom of it down. Oh my god, y'all, I like this color. It's pretty. It's not like overly like. Okay. Alright guys, tell me, how did this look? How are you feeling about this color? Yeah, I like it. Does it give natural? I like it. I think it's natural. I think for me, it's a natural color for me. I really like it. I don't know if you get it better close up, but I really like these colors. Alright guys, the next pair is called Neil Hazel. You see it? There we go. Right there. Neil Hazel. Okay, what do y'all think? Y'all liking them? These are pretty too. Oh my goodness, these are cute. Wow. Tell me what y'all think. Is it giving? Let me let this hair down. I know I put my hair back just to kind of, you know. But tell me what y'all think. Is it giving y'all? How does this look on me? I think this is really pretty. This is so pretty. Alright, so moving on to the second pair. I'm sorry, moving on to the third pair. Alright, so this third pair is called Asa Gray. Alright guys, so this is the third pair of contact lenses. How y'all feeling this one? I've never done gray before. I tried it out, like I said, years ago when I was looking for contact lenses. And this was one of the color that I saw and thought about, but I never decided to go with that because I went with the honey because I wanted a more, I guess a more natural look. But y'all let me know. My eye's still a little watery. It's been so long since I wear contact lenses, so let me know what y'all think. Is this a go, y'all? Oh my goodness, but I do like it. At the end of the video, I'm going to tell you which one is my favorite. So I have one more look to you guys, and this is in the shade, sorry, this is in the color Cita Gray. Cita Gray. And let's open this box up. Cita Gray. What it looks like on the other side. I wish I did that for the others, but that is what it's looking like. Let me go ahead and pop these out and pop these in. Just a moment here. Yeah, I've got all these contact lenses and I forgot to order me some solution. I'm going to pick some up tomorrow and drop them in. Right now, I'm just going to put them back in the little containers they come in and put them in. Actually, no. I'm going to put them inside here with a little bit of solution that they came in. But I'm definitely going to stop at the store tomorrow and pick me up some solution. So I have all these shades to rock. And now that contact lenses are like back in style, and people are seem to be rocking contact lenses without, you know what I'm saying, people saying anything negative or whatever. People's always going to have something negative to say anyways. But since it's come back in style, it's like part of, you know, your makeup look or what have you. So I'll be rocking these. And I think she said that you can actually wear these for a year. She said these are worth a year-long wear. With proper care, you can rock them for a year. Yep. Alright, so let me go ahead and pop these out. I'm like, why this pair giving me hell to come out? No, the other pair gave me no problem. They popped right back out. This is... Ooh. Don't fall over. Okay. So, last pair. Ooh. Oh! Alarm went off. It's time for my daughter to actually take her medicine. But also, my girl about to go live. My girl, Jade Lachey, is about to go live. And I have to catch her. Let's see. Let's see if she started on time. I wanted to hurry up and do this video so I could catch my bae. Let's see. Okay, so she's not on yet. So let me just hurry up. Ah, here she comes. Hey, babe. Hold on. Oh, that's the old video.
Hey, how are you?
Look, she's like, hey, how are you? That's my babe thing to say. All right, one last time. Cynthia. I'm sorry, not Cynthia. Cita Gray. So the best way to tell if your contact lenses are the right direction, if you hold them up like this, and it looks like it's like the tips or the edge are aiming down, that means that it is inside out. So you gotta flip the other way around. That looks about right, but I'm gonna go ahead and dip it back into the solution because I've been touching all up on the inside of it. Okay. Alright, let's pop right on it. Come on, let's get it. There you go. Oh child, these are some serious. These pairs is if you want to get a little extra and a little bit exotic. Final pair, guys. You tell me what's your favorite, because these are giving very exotic. It's giving very gray and very exotic. Cita Gray. Y'all liking this on me? Tell me. Be truthful. What is your favorite shade on me? Let me know. They're cute, no doubt. They're very cute. But my favorite shade will be, what's the first one? The very first one, and I believe that was Nila Brown, because it was more natural for me, and I like to be a little bit more natural. And then the second one, which was it was called a gray color too, I believe. Oh, it was called Neil Hazel, if I'm not mistaken. Let me just confirm. Hold on. So we got Nila Brown for one.
I meant Nila Brown.
That's my number one pick. And then, yeah. And then Neil Hazel, that's my number two pick. And then
Cita Gray,
my third. And then and this is the fourth one. This is when I'm gonna get a little bit exotic, a little bit extra. But they're all beautiful, and I thank the company just4kira. Thank you all so much for sending me out this lovely package. The packaging is beautiful. Thank y'all so much for sending me out this package, and I love the colors. So yes, guys, this company is really, really great. Once I run out of this, I think I will actually, what I think I want to actually do is, once I get my eye exam, I want to get my prescription placed in the next set. The last time I saw the ophthalmologist, they told me that I had an astigmatism, which they no longer provide in contact lenses. I don't know what's that about. But I'm gonna, and that was with, I'm not gonna call the company name out, but I'm gonna try with another provider. And I'm like, look, I want these contact lenses. I want my prescription. Matter of fact, just give me my prescription, and I'll send it to this company, and I have them fill it. So that's what I'm gonna do, because I like this. And I don't ever wear my glasses. I never wear my glasses. I have them and I don't wear them. So I think I'm going to get back into contact lenses. I'm going to try this out for a little bit, see how see if I could, get back into the swing of things with these lenses, because they're really cute. And I'm going to get my favorite color that I said I was going to get. I'm going to send them my prescription and have them fill it for me. And so that's how we're going to do it. So we're going to see how it works out. But yes, I'm really loving them. And again, they say they last a year. So you can't even beat that. As long as you take care of them, These are kind of pretty now. I'm liking them. It's giving me some eyes. Eyes, eyes, eyes. Eyes, eyes, eyes. Alright, so one thing I wanted to show you that I didn't get a chance to because I didn't open it up. This is what the case looks like and what it comes with. Now, back in the days when I used to get contact lenses, I used to have just a regular case, but this is a little fancy. I know they have some that's probably, different colors and stuff, but I like the clear too. I can't get it open, y'all. Now, I'll show you a couple of things that come inside of this. The heck? I'm gonna need you to open. I'm like, am I opening from the wrong side? It's not the wrong side. Let's see. Doing it all wrong, maybe. Oh my goodness. Okay. Look, so it comes with a cute little tweezers. Cute little tweezer. Let me do this. That is the cute little tweezer that it comes with. I've never seen this before. Like I said, back in the days when I used to wear contact lenses, it never came with all these cute little things. And look, this is the thing that you use to pick up the lens and put it in your eye. Look, I just used my finger. I just went old school. And I guess if it ain't broke, don't fix it. I can't see me trying to pick it up with this thing. Child, I'm gonna stick to what I know, but it's really cute and it's good to have it. I won't say I won't try. I will not say I won't try, but this is a cute little case. I love what it comes with. I don't know why I just close it back because I gotta put all the stuff in it. Alright. I gotta put the lens in it on it. Anyway, this is it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Until next time. Bye-bye.